you doing, babies? Come here. I'm gonna have to name you something else. Check it out. Some of my iris are blooming here on the farm. I did not expect this at all. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? I just love it. Here's another one coming up right there. It's a different one too. And check this one out. That's a small one too. I just love irises. I really, really do. And this one is one of my favorites right here. I believe that one's called Helen. So this lady I've got all these irises from, she told me to make sure I put Epsom salt onto these around the bulbs, and they're supposed to help with the coloring of the iris. So I've done that. I did run out of it, so I have to go get some more, but I went ahead and also put fertilizer on it because this ground has no nutritionist. I mean, nothing in it. It's just good topsoil, but that's pretty much it. But there's no nutrients in it whatsoever. So I've done that, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go dig up some more if the weather allows it, because it's supposed to rain, and we'll go from there. So, but yeah, I'm pretty stoked that they're getting there. And we also retilled our flower beds here at the farm. We tilled it one more time and put more corn in it, and back there, way back there, we're gonna put beans in. So right here, right here, all this is Epsom salt right there. And this other stuff right there is on top, and I'll put fertilizer on. That little pine tree up, it looked really sad. It just did not make it. So we went ahead and got a maple tree, and it's supposed to have really red leaves in the fall. So I'm really looking forward to that, and for it to grow around the year. So I put lots of love on it, and I took really good care of it when I, put it in the ground and everything. And hopefully, and I pray that, this little tree will make it. So, but it had a little rough ride coming here with the wind and everything on the trailer, but I pray it will make it. But it's getting late here. I'm going to finish up here, putting the last part of the beans in. So we're going to use those railroad ties that we had from the house. We brought them over here, and they've just been sitting here. We're going to go ahead and take those and put them around the iris flower bed. So at least they're going to get some use in, and they're not just going to sit here and just waste away. So that's the plan. It turned out so green. It's just beautiful out here. I just love it. Coming apart. It's coming apart.
I know, you're right. All over the right. That's right. They were over the ones that was in the house.
I know, but they were in a better shape.
Here.
So the railroad ties are too bad a shape. We're gonna have to go get some new ones. So I'm gonna try to find one more bit good one for it, and then for the other end, and then I'm gonna just probably end up having to get new ones. So that's the plan for now. ahead and call it a night. So it's been a long day, and we got a lot done. The sun was kind of brutal, but the breeze was actually really beautiful. It felt so good, just like right now. It was just really nice. But we got the beans all done. I mean the corn done. We done all of the beds one more time. We tilled them up again and went ahead and put them in the ground one more time, because the ones before it rained so much, and I would believe that the seeds rotted away in the ground because it was just too wet. And now we're just gonna finish up the beans and we're gonna call it a night. And I hope you yeah, just gonna have to go home and take care of the chickens, tuck them in for the rest of the night, check on the girls, make sure they're water and food, and the day's over again. There's just not enough time in the day to get things done, but we do what we can. If y'all enjoy the content of my videos and what I do with my my gardening and my chickens, or things that I do, please push subscribe. It would really help me out, and it would help me, definitely help grow my channel, since I'm just pretty much a newbie here. So I would be very grateful. Let's just say that. If you have any comments or if you have questions about things, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer it if I can. Hi, Bubby. You tired? Hey, Grub. Oh my goodness. God bless y'all, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye.